Hi, my name is Rahul. I'm from Kerala, Cochin, and I believe that speaking English language is more important, and to sound it more natural and fluent is even more important. This is where actually Entri play a crucial role in my language development.
My name is Anand. I am from Cochin. It was a good experience with Entry, especially with our dearest mentor Jijoy. It was an amazing journey with you. Thank you for your patience, support, guidance, everything, and appreciate the time you spent helping me on many occasions. Thanks a lot.
Hi, my name is Srinandan. I am from Kottayam, Kerala. I am studying in 9th class and I am studying in Malayalam medium. So my English was very bad. After this course, my English really improved. Our mentor Jijoy sir has been instrumental in improving my English.
Hi, my name is Sri Paurnami. I'm from Kottayam. I'm studying in 9th grade and I'm a student of Entri English Padikkyam course. I think this course felt very different because an English woman teaches English to Malayalis. Also, our mentor Jijoy sir took classes very well. In just a year, thanks to our teacher who taught us English well and our mentor Jijoy sir and Entri app.